touch him.
You know how to take care of this bird?
Yeah.
Can open the door or not?
No.
Can open the door or not?
No.
When you open the door, what happened to the bird?
I think the bird fly.
Can catch a bird or not?
No, it's
No,
not.
cannot.
The bird can fast fly.
Can always touch the bird or not?
No.
Can see only, right?
Can see and can touch.
Okay, go. Happy?
Mm.
Next time you find a parrot, okay? Okay? Say hello to the bird. Say welcome home, bird.
Come home, bird. Come home, bird. Okay? Drink water and eat your food, okay?
Can let the cat go in or not?
No.
What happened to the bird if the cat go in?
I think the dog scared the cat.
No need the cat that go in the house, Okay?
Okay. Mama, open this one.
The bird drink water. Don't touch.
Not drink it.
Very cute, right? You know what name this bird?
Yeah, lucky bird. No, lucky
Morocco
bird.
bird.
Lucky bird, mommy.
Is that lucky bird?
Yes. You just.
You don't touch the bird, scared already, you know.
Don't touch it, Daniel.
Okay.
What you say?
Later we put the outside already.
No.
Why? You must put outside there.
Later the cat can climb.
Mommy made enough water already, May.
Don't spill water. We put the kitchen over